As we all know, 12th boards are around the corner and students have started to prepare with the whole and soul to score the best in these board exams. Here are some tips and tricks for the students who are studying history. The history exam will consist 100 marks divided into two parts, theory of 80 marks and project work of 20 marks. The exam duration, the total duration of the exam will be 3 hours. Since students have already appeared for their pre-boards, they know their weaknesses. For their last-minute revisions, they should go through the question papers properly and focus on the areas that they are weak at. Students should segregate their chapters into what they are well prepared of, what they are okay with, and what they do not know at all. And then they should concentrate on studying properly what they don't know at all and prepare it well. Remember, in CBSE class 12th history paper, equal marks are allotted to each book: Ancient India, Medieval India and Modern India. The 7-mark source-based question and a 5-mark map-based question are the most scoring questions in a history paper. So every student should concentrate on preparing those questions properly to not miss even a single point. The question paper will definitely consist questions from the chapters Partition of India, from the book Modern India, chapter on Gandhiji from Modern India and Mughal Chronicle from Medieval India, and from Ancient India, Indus Valley chapters. And most importantly, you must study the NCERT book thoroughly. If you aim to score more than 95%, you need to absolutely rely on detailed study rather than selective study. To memorize or to grasp the topics that you're studying better, you should write down the points that you're reading and read the points out loud to yourself. I hope these tips were useful to prepare better for your exam. Study hard and all the best.